today I'm going to draw myself Elsa. Wait, I'm not Elsa, I'm just dressing up as Elsa. So, I hope you are ready to draw a simple Elsa without details on the shirt. If you have like an outfit or something, or maybe you could like find it from like Google. Maybe you can search and try to copy the details from there. But otherwise we won't be doing that. Just like a simple dress and all. Okay? For that you will need, wait, what was that? Oh yeah, there. My pencil and all the color over here. Now, a book to draw on. So let's begin. First, go up next to the top of the page, or like this place, because she's not as tall as the skyscraper. No, like this, but not here, not here, not here, but here, like here. Yeah, this is good. And then try to make a nice line, and then do a dot in the same place here. Then don't make it really thick because you're gonna connect these two with a circle, like a U. So you go carefully. Now, like that. It's cartoony, so remember, it's not like Elsa. And then Elsa, her nose. Everyone has noses. At least humans do, right? So you could do like a little line and then curve it in like that. And then 2 dots for the nostrils. Then you do an upside down fat U like that. And same on the other side. Wow. And then you can do one right here. Both sides you do that. Then, at the very center, draw a nice circle. And then, same thing on the other side. Nice big circle. You can always color it in if you'd like, but I'm not coloring it in because I'm just going to leave a little highlight. And then I'll do a circle outside it. Wait, no. Okay, and then right here you could start doing eyelashes. And same thing on the other side. Eyelashes, 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 eyelashes. You're going to do some eyelashes, eyelashes, eyelashes. Just fill in all the spaces. It will take a little time. Then, so let's start drawing the eyebrows. So nice like that, like that. And then, now, it wouldn't be Elsa without a smile, wouldn't it? Would it? Would it be Elsa without a smile? Does Elsa never smile? Elsa smiles. Remember? She smiles. Yeah, she smiles. She surely smiles. Like us. Like you and me. She smiles. So then do like that and da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay, and then just bring it up more and more and more. And then make it sure it's like, give it a point. And then, here. She doesn't have so much space above her eyebrow. So we could go back down here and then do a little curvy type, and she has a little bangs, sometimes in the movie when you don't actually notice it, but sometimes she has little bangs, so you could just do like that and then go straight for a little while. Then here you could do this, and then go straight. And then about here you do a very major curve. It's always in Elsa. She always has it. You might not realize it in all of her pictures, but and then get it into that side. Now that looks a little like Elsa by now. And Elsa has a little bit of hair just like flying out over here because it's not like she has perfectly straight hair. No one has like that. Everyone has a bit of curls. But once in a while, it's hard to, some people have really straight hair. But Elsa, like me, she has a little curly-ish hair and then she straightens it out into a braid. At least that's what I'm doing right now. And there's some hair flying over here, so you have to do it like that. Here, so up, and a little strand of hair. Whoosh, and then up like that. And then here you do up and up and up. And then down here. And if you have any pictures of Elsa, you can just look and find some details to help you. And wow, nice. This looks like a boy more. But this looks more like a boy now. But you can bring a few eyelashes off if you'd like. All of them, I think, need some more upping. What's upping? I have no idea what upping is, but and then just right here, just curve it like that. And then here, this place up here, and you curve it like that. And here you curve it like that. Here you can curve it like that. And then here, up here, curve it like that. And go over here and curve it like that. And then go as far as wherever yours is based on, as far as it goes. So about here. Just right up here, do the little band, so like that. That's how you draw a band. Then outwards, you're gonna draw outwards lines, and then like make it like look like hair. Like, so you make lots of lines, lots of little lines, lots of little lines, lots of little lines. Now. So then here you could do a sideways U. Then here you could like do this. And here, since the braid is here, you could just have your pencil floating in the air just above. And then finish it off like here. And then here you could do a little line here, coming out of that, a little line, just for details of the ear. And same thing on the other side. But if you look closely, this might be a little big. So if one of the ears is bigger than the other, or if one of the details, if one of the one thing is bigger than the other, if there's two of those things and one of them is bigger than the other, like eyes or eyebrows, or ears, like you can just try to make dots like that, tiny dots. Then bottom. Then you could loop that together to make an ear. And then same thing here. Little details, nice details for her ears. Now, Elsa has a neck like all of you out there drawing. With your neck, you're drawing, you're arching your neck over here to see what you're drawing. Yes. Your neck supports your head, so do it right below your head. And then right here from here, I'm gonna draw a little like this, 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 like this. And then right here, you could draw the bottom like this, a point right here. Okay, then do the little line. Okay, and here, actually, I don't think we need this one. Let's just not do this one. And then continue with this one. Line. And then connect. Actually, you don't need to do it like that. Yeah, you don't need to do it like that. Only if you like. If you like, you can do it like that. But I'm not doing it. So, and then here, we'll just right here. So you don't want to make it like the thing you're drawing or character you're drawing. And in this case, Elsa. And then here, just right here, you could just pop in a little higher. Not so high and long. And then if you'd like, you could draw some nails. I'll just draw nails since Elsa has nails, I think. Yeah, everyone has nails, so I could draw nails. And then continue this line over here. Continue the line, continue. Now, from here, you will need to make it like this, like this. This hand is going to be much easier. So you're going to taper it in just like that. And then here, gonna have her hand like this, and then this for her thumb, and the rest will be your finger. You won't be able to see it. Oh yes, and also wears a dress. Nice long V if you'd like. And then you can erase that if you don't do details. You can just erase that. I'll just erase it. Now it looks a lot like a dress, doesn't it? This one line will be there. And then you can imagine her legs are in here, and then her feet will just poke out. So just do like that. That's how you'll draw the feet. It's actually different, but it's just a cartoon version, and cartoons are not. It's not like Elsa's different. Even more realistic, it looks like an actual person, but it's not an actual person. So you can just a kid's version, because it's just to be simplified. And it just, if you do it longer, like I did, it's like it'll be easier somehow, because it'll be like for a long time you could just thing that shows you that this is incomplete. What's missing? You think you'll be like, no, there's nothing missing to her, but you're wrong. Who doesn't? How will you know she has powers? How will you know it's Elsa? So we'll do a little snowball just poking out of her hands. So she's like. So now that's a complete Elsa, and I'll just color her, and voila. Everyone, I colored it a cute little Elsa. Can you believe how realistic it is? It's not realistic, but somewhat like it. I mean, it might have looked like Ola. Okay, we're not doing all. Oh,